হেল্ল' ৱেলকাম বেক টু মাই চেনেল গাইজ শ্ৰদ্ধাৰ শিক্ষাগুৰুসকল সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টোলৈ শিক্ষাগুৰুসকল আজি আপোনালোকক গুৱাহাটী হাইকোৰ্টৰ আপডেট লৈ আহিছোঁ আপোনালোকে সকলোৱে চাওক আজি আমাৰ যিসকলে আমি পিটিশ্যনাৰ হৈছোঁ পৰৱৰ্তী সময়ত আমাৰ যি শুনানি হৈছে গুড নিউজ আহিছে সকলোৱে চাওক আৰু আমাৰ কাৰণেও ভাল খবৰ আহিছে বলক আমি ভিডিঅ'টো চাই লওঁ
Okay. Itu kali mungkin kayak play yang di bawah. Aku dulu dia anu style.
Yes.
Your Lordship dealt with this matter earlier. Your Lordship will kindly remember that interim order.
Division
We had gone to appeal. An appeal order passed. That we may be allowed to.
They were allowed to participate.
Yes, and their result will be kept in. Now, what has happened here? These people, they did not apply. Now, after appellate court's order, they are authorized to apply. Now, there were some persons who applied before 12, though they know they were disqualified. Now, my lord, since they have applied before the date, so they can. They may be, my lord, as per the appellate court's order. So their matter may be processed and kept in.
Means these petitioners have already applied.
Already before the date.
Okay.
12. The Lordship remembers the date. 12/1.
12/2.
Appellate order.
Page 529.
$510 million.
Mr. Gohain, matter, which is the matter Mr. Bachchaji is taking up?
My lord, he is taking, I don't remember my Meenakshi Kalita, my lord.
Meenakshi.
The same order is because of the number of petitioners we have.
Item 31.
Page 510.
Yes.
May I read it? Having heard the learned counsel for the parties for quite some time, we deem it appropriate to direct the state to provisionally allow the appellants to apply in the recruitment process initiated by the advertisement dated so and so, provided such application is filed offline before the last date of 12/2. However, the final result of the appellants shall be declared without the leave of the court. It is made clear that this interim order is only in respect of the appellants and shall not create any precedent. Lest this matter for admission after 8 weeks, we made it clear that pendency of the appeal shall not be a bar for the learned single judge to hear the writ petition on merit and pass final order. Now, my lord, by virtue of this order,
They have been allowed.
allowed. In that case, but now we have applied much before that. That evidence your lordship will find Annexure 18 series.
It's the start.
Annexure 18 series.
These applications were accepted.
Yes, my lord.
Accepted.
Yes, my lord. And the proof is also given, my lord. Proof.
That your lordship will find at 417. That they have accepted.
এখন 283 আরম্ভ হয়েছে অ্যাপ্লিকেশন
Application ma korbo.
এখন
19 series your lordship got. On the top of it, it is written.
Yes, I've got it. Yes, Mr. Mazumdar,
If the applications are there on record,
that will be processed but kept in seal cover,
Yes.
subject to outcome of discussion.
Yes.
Will not in process will create
Only two.
problem. They will be allowed to participate in the recruitment process and they will.
There is no interview
there
here.
is no.
Alert.
There is no interview here. It's only the marks that they have to calculate.
They will have to consider these people's. The process may include the earlier part also. That is why it may be made clear.
Mr. Bachcha, you can take your seat. I'll just pass the order. You can have your seat.
Process will go.
Nothing more? Only this much is required.
Those we had submitted only there.
Heard Mr. A.K. Bachchaji, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. H. Puragohan, Learned Counsel appearing for the petition. Also heard Mr. R. Mojumdar, Learned Standing Counsel, Department of School Education.
124. 124.
120.
You need to apply for 124.
Anybody appearing for the Union of India? Miss MS A. Gayan,
December or
CGC. National Institute of Open School, nobody is there.
No.
For NCT, we have served a copy of Mr. Alam yesterday. But for NIOS,
So can I record Mr. Alam's presence?
we have served a copy. We have a proof of it.
Okay, no need. Taking it in. Issue notice, returnable 4 weeks. Mr. R. Mojumdar, Learned Standing Counsel, Department of School Education, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2. Ms. A. Gayan, Learned Standing Counsel, CGC, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 3. Petitioner to serve notice upon respondent number 4 through Mr. A. Alam. A. Alam, Standing Counsel, NCTE. Full stop. No formal notice be issued. However, requisite extra copies of the petition be furnished to the learned, to the respective standing councils. Also, petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 5 by registered post with AD. Also, the petitioners in the present proceedings are all holders of 18-month diploma in 18-month diploma in elementary education. Full stop. In pursuance to an advertisement dated, pursuant to the advertisements both dated 26/12/2023, the petitioners had uploaded their respective applications against the post so advertised. Stop. Such applications have been duly acknowledged by the respondents who have been submitted successfully. Also, it is to be noted that the said applications were uploaded by were submitted by the petitioners online. Full stop. It is the apprehension of the petitioners herein that in view of the prescription of qualification in the advertisement and the requirement therein of possessing a 2-year diploma in elementary education, the cases of the petitioners may not be considered on merits. Full stop. And accordingly have instituted the present proceedings. Full stop. Subpara. In view of the fact that the petitioners have already submitted their applications online and the same having been acknowledged to be so successfully submitted, to have been successfully submitted by the respondents, comma. In the interim, it is directed that the cases of the petitioners shall be processed on merits in the manner required. Shall be processed on their respective merits as per the procedure to be followed for such recruitment in pursuance to the said advertisements dated 26/12/2023. However, the results of the petitioners shall not be declared by the respondents without leave of this court. Full stop. Subparagraph. List this matter along with WPC number 477/2024.
Highly obliged.
My lord, we will only process those applications where the acknowledgements are there and they have applied. my lord.
That's all.
But all
There
of
should
them
be
are
no-
there, my lord.
No, no,
Only
but
difficult
some
is
They
that
can give us a list. They can just give us a list. If
Yes, ma'am.
my lord, friend gives us a
Hey.
list of the petitioners
Can you
and
give
their
us-
acknowledgement dates
Yes,
or
ma'am.
registration numbers.
Wait,
Yes, my lord.
लिखे लिखे
Fine, my lord. If it will be on this, sir. Ma'am, I will be-
No, उसका आगे में
Yes,
in the interim it is directed that
Registration number to-
cases of the petitioners लिखो तो cases of the petitioners who have
500.
successfully
Yes.
uploaded their respective applications online
my lord.
Prior to.
and which have been acknowledged to
With
have been
registration
so uploaded by the respondents
Prior.
shall only be considered.
Yes, my lord.
With
Same
registration-
order.
Same order in the, I'll just,
Registration
Uh,
ID is what?
huh?
Registration ID, they give one registration ID. That registration ID, lordship will have, it will work out.
That will be the.
That registration ID is the identification.
Okay.
my lord.
and were successfully uploaded and having received, हम कर देगा, तुम mark रखो, हम कर देगा. Having received the registration ID.
ID, my lord.
That is-
Mr. Buraga, you can do one thing.
My lord.
You can give him a list
Yes, my lord.
of the candidates along with their registration numbers.
Yes.
We'll not put it in. You
Give
can,
them the copies, maybe.
you can give him. No, sir, just give a list.
List of all the candidates with the acknowledgement and the registration ID, my lord. In
All those three matters, same order.
30, 31, 32, my lord.
30, 31, 32. अभी तुम जाओ, मारो उसको, go.
We are highly obliged, my lord.
They are all going today, so I'll get it.
Anybody order one?
इसको भेज दो.